Hello, this is Nizar from Querium-IT channel. Today we are going to take a look at Css Flexbox. So let's go. In this video we are going to learn how to use Css Flexbox properties to display HTML content in different devices. So first of all we are going to create our HTML file, and inside the body element we are going to create a div container, and inside we are going to create three boxes. Box 1 we copy and we paste 2 times to get 2 more boxes, box 2 and box 3. And inside every box we are going to add an h3 title, box 1, and a paragraph with lorem, let's say 20. The same thing for the box 2 with a paragraph lorem 10, for example, and the same for the box 3 with lorem 20 paragraph. So we save here and we open with the live server, and here we get 3 boxes displayed in a vertical way. So first let's add some style here to our HTML body. We will add some style to our boxes divs. For example, a border with 2 pixels, black color, and solid style. Also we add padding with 20 pixels, background color, let's say blue, and a color for the text content, let's say, for example, white. And we save here, we get 3 boxes with displayed in a vertical way with a blue background and a white color for the text. And if we want here to get our 3 boxes displayed side by side in a horizontal way, we'll start with the main Flexbox property applied on the whole container, which is display flex. We save, and here we go, we get our 3 boxes displayed side by side in 1 line. But here, as we see here, we have box 1, and box 3 are with the same width, but box 2, which have the smallest content, as we did here with lorem 10, has the smallest width. So to fix that, we are going to add some properties to each box. Let's say box 1, we copy, paste 2 times, box 2 and box 3. The first property to add is flex with the value 1. This property will fix the width for as 1 by 3 of the container for each box. So we save, and here we get 3 boxes with the same width and height. And for example, if we want to give an order for our 3 boxes, if we want to get the box 1 at the end of the container, or box 3 in the middle, and so on, we have another property which is order. We give the order 3, for example, for box 1, order 1 for box 2, and order 2 for box 3. So the order of our boxes changed. So we have box 2 at first, then box 3, and at the end box 1. So now we are going to keep the same order of the beginning for 1, 2, and 3. And we are going to check another property, which is align items to get different heights and positions for our boxes. So if we start with flex, for example, flex end, we will have smallest boxes here, where we'll display in the end of the container height. If we change here, for example, flex start, they are now starting from the top of the container, and so on. Now we can try another thing, which is how to display our 3 boxes with a space between and or a space around. So first of all, we are going to delete these properties in order to change the width of our boxes. So we write here box width here, which will take 20%, and here we go. We get 3 boxes starting from the beginning of the container, from the what we call the main axis, which is horizontal, and we are going to try another property of the container, which is justify content. This one is flex start. It's the default one for this property. So let's try another one, which is flex end, and our 3 boxes move it to the right of the container. And we have another property center, and they are put in the center. So if we want here to add some space between our 3 boxes, we can add this style space between, and here we go, we get space between each two boxes. We have another one which is space around. It will have or add a padding for each box here around. And here if we try to change the width of our screen of the browser, these boxes will stay the same in the same way, in a vertical way. So let's try the size of phone here with, for example, Pixel 2. If we get less width of the screen, they will stay in same way, and box 3 will disappear. So to control that, we are going to add a NAT media for min width of let's say 764 pixels. And we are going to put the flex properties inside this way. Okay, we save, and here we get our 3 boxes displayed in min width, or min width of 764. If we move to a larger screen, they will display flex side by side, as we see here. And for less screen, they will move to be displayed in a vertical way. So we can change here the min width to, for example, 448, and we try different screens of an iPad, for example. They will display in a flex way, and in a Pixel 2 phone, they will lose the flex properties. So that's all for today. I hope it will make sense for you. So I'd like to say thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified for new videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.